Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to share a grocery list on Instacart. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and share a grocery list on Instacart. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to Instacart, then click on your profile icon on the upper right hand corner. From here, you want to go ahead and scroll down and then click on Save List under Collections. So lists to me are basically grocery lists which you can create based on store. So I have down below a grocery list that I created with the Sam's Club app. So if you click onto this list, this is like a usual grocery store list that I order from Sam's Club. In order to share this list, go ahead and click on the upper right hand corner where you see the share icon next to the three dots. And then this is where you could actually go ahead and message this list, email this list, etc. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and share a grocery list on Instacart. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.